Hello everybody and welcome back to another Madcatt art series tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be covering the human body, so let's get pumped. Let's go! Hey guys, welcome back. In today's episode we're going to be drawing the human body. I'm going to show you how I studied the human body, and really it's one of my favorite things to cover, so get ready for this one. It's going to be fun. You can see I got my Cobra Kai shirt on, and I've got my soft drink sponsored by Gatorade. I wish. Okay guys, let's go ahead and just jump right into this one. So basically I'm going to start with a big box for the chest, and then I'm going to draw a smaller box for the hips, and then I'm just going to draw two lines to connect the two. This is the beginning stage for creating the body. Next I'm going to draw a straight line down the middle of the body, and I'm going to also make a little small square for the neck. Circles and cylinder shapes to create the arm. Check out my video on arms if you want more on that.
Oh yeah!
Next I start on the collarbones, which connect to the shoulder muscle, and then the shoulder muscle connects to the chest muscle. One thing to keep in mind is that when you're drawing muscles, they all seem to be connective, so keep that in mind when you're drawing them. Here I'm just finishing off the arm, the bicep, adding some muscle structure to it, just to complete the image. After I'm done drawing and rendering the arm, I now know where the lat muscle is going to be, which connects from the ribcage to the end of the tricep. Next thing is to render the ribcage and figure out where each rib is. This way we can start adding muscle upon the rib. Once we have all the rib muscles sketched out, we start adding a shadow underneath the arm and underneath the armpit to create some 3D value and depth. Next we finish off the shoulder with some neck muscle, and then we move on to the abdominal muscles. I think it's become pretty clear how important it is to study anatomy. There are just a heck of a lot of muscles to try to remember in one go, so it is going to take some time and you are going to have to do some studying, but I promise you once you have, you're going to start drawing more fluently and a lot quicker. And I feel pretty confident in saying that that's the goal. So let's try something kind of neat here. On this side is going to be the average man, the average human man. On the other side, we're going to do something more like a superhero style of body shape. Let's try the Hulk. So everything's going to be the same as the other side. The only thing that's going to be different is that we're going to exaggerate every single muscle. Everything is going to be 10x'd, if you will. Look at this huge arm. That's the Hulk, folks. Now, unlike other superheroes, if we were drawing Superman, we'd make him a little more slender. Still built and big, but slender. But with the Hulk, you want to definitely draw him in a very bulky way. He's such a square, hulking mass, so you want to draw him kind of square. But the point of this little demonstration is to show you how learning the anatomy will allow you to take a normal proportioned man into a hulking, monstrous superhero with the same anatomy principle. And that's the point. Well, you guys, that concludes another fun-filled episode of Madcatt Art Series Anatomy. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and also subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And as always, you guys keep drawing.